Hey everybody out there in the nation, got a video for you today. Today we're going to be changing out the bump stops, rear bump stops on a 2009 Hummer H3T. This is the truck version, the T, clearly. But these are both shot on both sides. Not that we can't live without them, but I just like to have new ones on there. So let's get started. So I went ahead and chalked the front wheels. It's easier to climb in underneath from the front of the wheel, but you can see, I mean, this is just clearly trash, and look how loose it is inside here. So, well, there you go. How about that? It's that easy. So there's some little grooves up here inside, and we'll just make sure those are clean, and then we'll install the new ones. But yeah, it's completely trash. So this here is our new part. I'll get you a part number here. 1529527. That gives you a little, and you're gonna want two of those, one for each side. I'm just gonna take a little bit of spray silicone and then just lube that up around the edge, and then see if I can work it on before I have to use like a rubber mallet or something to hit it. So we'll try that out first, see what it gets us. Okay, so I went ahead and sprayed a little silicone up inside there and then around the edges, and I was able to just kind of push one side on and then just kind of work it up in there, and it went in there fairly easy. Just pushed it. Alright, now you can see completely installed. I'll go around to the other side and get that all finished up. Thanks for watching today. Feel free to subscribe, follow me for other videos coming down the road. Thanks a lot.